Hi, champs. Have you ever wondered why shapes are everywhere? From your notebook to your pizza slice, everything around us has geometry in it. Let's explore the world of shapes together. Geometry is the branch of math that studies shapes, sizes, and how things fit together in space. It helps us understand the structure of the world around us. Every shape has unique properties. A triangle has 3 sides. A square has 4 equal sides, a rectangle has 2 pairs of equal sides, and a circle has no corners, just one curved edge. Understanding geometry helps in building houses, designing roads, and even in art and architecture. So every time you see a shape, remember, math is right there with you. At BrightCHAMPS, we make math simple, visual, and fun. Join a free live class today and master geometry the fun way.